Hi friends, I feel like it's been so long since I sat down in front of the camera and just talked to you guys, but there's a couple of things that I wanted to share with you today. One is a reminder that our January Collage Collaboration is coming up, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a reminder about that. Now, this Collage Collaboration is open. If you'd like to join in, you are welcome to do that. Just use, let me find out what our hashtag is. Our hashtag is hashtag Get to Know Me. So use hashtag Get to Know Me in your title, and that way I can find your video. So we've got some prompts for this month's collage, and a lot of you mentioned that you kind of liked that, so maybe we keep doing that, or we do it sometimes. But if you ever have a suggestion for a prompt, please let me know. I'm happy to collaborate in that way with you. All right, so here are our prompts for this month. Who is your hero and why? If you could choose to do any one thing in a day, what would it be? Your favorite color and your dream vacation. So create a collage with those prompts. We do post our collages on the 30th of each month. The other thing I wanted to mention to you, and I didn't want to put it on my thumbnail for my video, is that thanks to you guys, I have reached over 800 subscribers. And that means I'm going to do a giveaway. So, if you would like to be part of that giveaway, please let me know. I'm not asking you to do anything else. Just let me know if you want to be part of the giveaway. The other thing I want to share with you is that I have received a few packages. I received a letter and a pretty pink package and a lovely box. So I'm going to open those up and let you see what's inside. I'm very excited, can you tell? Oh, also, I know I'm talking kind of quietly and I apologize. We've had a big change in our family. My husband is now working the night shift. So he's sleeping during the day, which is usually when I record, obviously. And so that's that. So, hopefully you guys can hear me. We're gonna start by opening a letter. I know that it's from Gina. Go check out Gina Loves to Craft if you have not already done so. Aw, look at that pretty card. I love it. It's in Paris. It says, "Hi, sweet Jovi. Wishing you and your family an amazing year, 2021. Love, Gina Loves to Craft." That's beautiful. Thank you, Gina. I appreciate that so much. So this little pink package is from Crystal at Just Crafting over here, and I'm participating in one of her challenges, and it's a Valentine's Day one, and she sent out 3 packages, and we're all to use what she sent us and create something with it, and I am so excited. I can't even stand it. So here we go. This is her subby activity, and this is February. And it says, "Happy early Valentine's Day, Jovi. Inside this bag, you will find all the crafty supplies shown on my YouTube channel to create your Valentine Day tag. Please feel free to use your personal stash to bring your vision to life, but also try to really use the supplies given." You guys, I've never done anything like this before, but I love the idea of it, and I'm so excited about it. And I'm going to challenge myself right now to use everything she sent to me. So let's take a look. We have these, okay, first we have a ring, so that's good. So I could do like a tag flippy thing, I'm thinking. We'll see. I've never done one, but I have a ring, so I can. We have these beautiful little hearts. Look how cute they are. We have red and pink. Oh my gosh, she sent me these. I see these all the time, but I've never colored one before. So that's totally fun, right? And a nice pink heart. I'm so excited, I can't even stand it. Ooh, a gold doily, and then heart stickers, so cute. And then a nice tag, love it. And then she sent me like some string and a little, this might be washi, yeah, I think it is, on a clear tag, so I can use that also. And then she sent this big tag, so cute. And then this one, and this one, this one. And this one. Wait a minute, there's another one. Look at these, you guys. I love the white doily because it looks like lace. And another one, of course. Ooh, and then foamy stickers. Ooh, she sent stuff that could possibly used as a shaker. And let me just tell you guys, I made my first shaker the other day and it was pretty rough. I'm not even gonna lie to you about it. So maybe I practice and make another one with some of these gorgeous goodies that she sent. And then there's little pom-poms in there. She sent all these delicious pieces of ribbon. Look at the rickrack, I think that's what they call that. And then clear with red. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little scrunchy. And then, oh, I love the white and the pink. Look at that. So pretty. And then gold hearts. Look. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and then this is like miniature white eyelash trim. Guys, how fun is all of this? Can you see it all? I mean, it's so fun and delicious. So I can't wait to get started and create my cards. And you know, we'll see what I come up with. And look at me trying to get the sequins back in the bag. That didn't go so well. But anyway, that's fun and fine. So I'll clean the rest of that up later. All right, moving on to our next package. Okay guys, so here we've got the box. Now I removed the label and I put it over the addresses, so that's why it looks a little bit discombobulated. All right, the first thing I see, and I'm trying not to look in there until after I see this little note here, and it says Jovi on it. Let's see, oh look. She put a wax seal on it, how lovely, aww. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, here's her business card. It's by Mimi with Love. And what a pretty card that is. I love it so much. And then she made me, oh my gosh, you guys. She made me a birthday card. It's beautiful and I love the color yellow. It is one of my favorites. My favorite colors are pink, yellow, and purple. And yellow makes me so happy. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, you guys, she wrote me a super sweet note, and in short, she says she wanted to send me something for my birthday. And I have to say, I'm so honored and appreciative of that. And of course, she mentioned that, you know, she enjoyed seeing the family on some of my videos, and you know, and the positivity that I try to put out there. So I'm glad, Melissa, that helps to bring some happiness to your days. So I appreciate that, and I'm so excited to get a birthday present. This is so fun. All right, let's start by opening this, and look at this beautiful ribbon. She sure knows how to tie a bow. I mean, way better at that than I am. So wonderful. Well, I'll be saving that ribbon, you know that. Here, I'll put it in my little pink bucket right here for now. Okay. We've got, and this is tied too, so sweet. Let me see if I can slide this. She sent me some goodies to play with. Look at this, guys. So here's some cards, and these kind of look like the size of ATCs, but I'm not 100% sure. But thank you for that. If they are, I'll use them for that, and if not, I'll use them for tags. Beautiful. Ooh, thank you. Can't wait to use those. Ooh, look at this, is gold. Oh, it's kind of like goldy bronze. Very cool. Oh my goodness, and look at this red. Very cool. Melissa, I wonder if you made these. I don't know, they're fabulous. Make them or not, they're gorgeous. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, you're gonna have to tell me if you made these, because wow. And if you bought them still, so wow. Look at this, it's got glitter in it and everything and all these fibers. Fantastic. This is like brown, but almost like it's got a deep purple in it. Beautiful. These are I feel like, okay, the texture feels like they're handmade. These are fantastic. Oh, look at the pretty blue one. So lovely. And then lavender. There's fibers in these. I don't know. I feel like somebody handmade these. These are gorgeous. Ooh, and a nice frame. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, and the green. You know, I'm gonna do a mermaid one this summer, and all these colors would be just beautiful in it. Look at these. This is gonna be great for fall. Oh, very cool. I love the texture. They're like soft, but yet very textural. Very interesting. Ooh, how fun. It's like corrugated. That's pretty cool. I wonder if she made this out of a corrugated box. That's pretty neat. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, let's open this. All right, first of all, look. She sent me some fabric. Isn't it lovely? It's got birds on it. I love birds. Aww. And a beautiful pink ribbon. I love that too. I'll be making a tassel with this little bird fabric. Well, unless I'm inspired to use it in a journal, but you know, look at it. It's so pretty. Little summertime tassels. Oh, good Lord, look at this. Oh my gosh. Is this not beautiful? Let's take a look. Oh, and it's got stuff in it. But let's take a look. First of all, look at the flowers on top. I love the color palette. I'm crazy about this. It's just, there's daisies and pretty yellow and pink and green and yellow. I just love it. And then look how the side is embellished. Look at this. It's beautiful. I don't want to tip it over, but yet I do. I kind of want to peek. Oh my goodness, there's like little, you know, I don't know what they call these feet. Oh my goodness, Melissa, this is to die for. All right, guys, I had to loosen the sides just a little bit, so I got that done. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Little boxes. Holy cow, it's just too cute. With little flowers on top. It's just too cute. Oh my gosh, and each box has the feet on it. Made out of like the half back pearls. Oh my, I think that's what they're called. If they're not, I'm sorry. I'm just crazy about this. This is just the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness, and it's filled with handmade flowers made from book pages. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys, I am in heaven right now. Oops, I'm in total heaven right now. I love it all so much. Melissa, this is just fantastic. And even look, the way that she, the edge of the box, she inked them. Every detail, you guys, every single detail is just beautiful. These were inked before she even made them into flowers on the edges. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to use them, and I feel so inspired. I have not made flowers out of book pages. Well, not small ones like that. I have one big giant one that I made one time, but not small ones. All right, let's see what's in this box. Oh, look, you guys. It's layers of these beauties, and I don't have these. Thank you, Melissa. I don't have these. Look at them. They're pearls and little glittery things, like little diamonds, rhinestones, I guess we call them. Oh my goodness, it's just full. They're so darn pretty. She has just brought my crafting up to a new level, giving me this stuff. Oh, thank you, Melissa. That is just delightful. Oh my gosh, these are just too cute. Ooh, this feels heavy. What do we have here? Oh, goodies. She knows I love the goodies. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous. Look at these. All kinds of beautiful beads. Look at this with the butterfly on it. Oh my gosh, fantastic. I'm gonna just do this so you can see them. Look at these beautiful fresh greens. Oh, look at that, isn't that pretty? Is this a fish? Let me take a look. I think that's a fish. How cute is that? They're gorgeous, Melissa. Thank you. Now, let's see what's behind door number 4. Oh, dear God, I'm just crazy about these. They're just the prettiest things. Look at these beautiful roses made out of paper. The edges are done. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely crazy about these. Melissa, thank you. They are lovely and precious in every single way. And the colors are just so fun. I mean, this is like totally like springtime. I don't know how you made these. They're so tiny. I love them so much. I just am crazy about them. Look at these, you guys. They're just too much. They're just so good. Thank you so much, Melissa. I'm just absolutely thrilled and honored and excited and all of it. I just can't thank you enough, honestly. Just beautiful. Thank you, Melissa. All right, guys, let's see what's in here. Gorgeous peachy ribbon. Love it so much. And look at this pretty fabric. It's like a blue burlap. That's totally fun. Oh my gosh, look what she sent to me. She sent me the tassel that she made for Tassel Tuesday, like maybe last week, maybe the week before. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on this so that you guys can see it as I'm talking about it. There's this little bling right here, and there's this very cool chain up here. Love how she did this. And there's every kind of ribbon and texture. I mean, this is just so beautiful and so fun. And look at this, what's in here. Look at this, I love it so much. And look at all the different rickrack. And this is fabulous. Look at this pattern. I love it. Oh, and then let's flip it over, because on this side, not only do we have more gorgeous ribbon, but there's goodies in here. Look at this. I love it. This is so fantastic. How fun. Melissa, this is just, oh, look at this. This is like newsprint on here. This is just a fun and beautiful tassel. And guess what? You are the first one to send me a tassel, and thank you. I am so honored by your generosity. Honestly, I can't thank you enough. So, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the mail and the announcements. If you want to enter my giveaway, I don't care if you already won a giveaway. If you want to enter, just go on in and enter it, and let's have some fun with it, because it's about you guys, and it's about me thanking you guys for supporting my channel and being part of my life. And you know, it just makes me so happy. So thanks for watching. See you soon.